everyone. I am back from Italy and I'm so excited to share with you guys some of my adventures. So let's check it out. Greetings from Atlanta. I'm at my gate. Love you guys. Barcelona. We are on our way to go to Italy. We are making our way downtown walking fast and I'm so excited. I will check in with you guys soon. Hi guys, we are in Italy. I'm with one of my best friends, Lena. This is just inspired based on a conversation we had. We're like, hey, we want to go to Italy, and then we just did it.
Pretty much.
And we're here. Yeah. We started yesterday in Milan, and I will show you clips of that. But right now, we are getting started for our first official full day in Italy, and we are going to traipse around Verona. Hey. So we'll take you along on our adventures. See you soon.
Bye.
So today we are going to be adventuring in the mountains. We went north of Verona where we're staying and we are about to see some beautiful landscapes and we're going to be filming and hiking and just having a blast. So all over they have these drinking water fountains and they're so convenient if you bring a reusable water bottle, which we have, and it's so amazing. Yes, we have extra water, but for the most part we've been trying to use these fountains and it's really cool. But we're about to catch a bus and I'll update you guys later. Bye. This is where we're going. Damn it. Totally high key dying right now, but it's gonna be so worth it. I'm excited. I'm sitting down because I literally can't stand any longer. Look at what we have. Hi everyone, we are officially halfway through the trip and that is crazy. We are now in Rome and I'm so excited to show you guys some sights. I know we're planning on going to the Borghese Park, planning on going to a Colosseum in Old Rome. We're looking for a lot of the fountains here and probably take a look at the Pantheon. We are nixing the Vatican because it doesn't seem like it's going to be possible this trip, but we should be seeing a really pretty cathedral and the Spanish Steps and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'll see you out there. a hungry boy. What a darling. Where's the other one? Still hiding?
No, he's right there, he's right there.
Oh my goodness. He said, give me some of that lettuce. I want it. Hi guys, hello from almost the top of CAPRI, and we are slowly but surely moving our way up. I'm in a chair right now with just a bar. That's the ground below me. This is crazy. We are going to the top. You can't really see the water right now. Today is our boat day and we just got to Capri from Sorrento. We're gonna go to Blue Grotto. We're gonna go to the Green Grotto, the White Grotto, all the grottos. We're gonna see a lot of amazing things along the coast of Capri. We're gonna have a full day of swimming, boating, but right now we're exploring the island, and from the bottom of my heart, I'm in love with this place and I hope to move here one day. That's the update. I'll see you soon. Okay, we're comfy cozy off the coast of Capri to go to the Blue Grotto. Update, I definitely got sunburned today. Oh well. Alright guys, that's all for today. As I said, I have made it back safe and soundly from Italy. I have a couple different videos planned for you guys where I'll tell you little stories about my adventures and everything like that. I hope you enjoyed this video to start it all off, and I can't wait to share the rest of it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!